Hinge repair and RAM upgrade on Dell Inspiron 15.3 511 laptop. Thank you, Sir John, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The most common reasons for hinge damage in laptops include frequent use, which leads to wear and tear on the hinges over time. Taking your Dell Inspiron to a professional repair shop for hinge repair is often a wise decision for several reasons. First and foremost, professional technicians possess the experience and expertise needed to diagnose and address hinge issues effectively. Laptop hinges can be delicate, and improper handling might lead to further damage to the screen or other internal components. Professionals are trained to handle such repairs, ensuring that they can navigate the intricate parts of a laptop without causing additional problems. Upgrading the RAM on a Dell Inspiron 153 511 laptop is a beneficial decision for enhancing overall performance. More RAM improves the laptop's ability to handle multiple applications simultaneously, making it particularly useful for multitasking and running demanding software. This upgrade can significantly reduce lag and enhance responsiveness, especially when switching between applications. Hinge repair and RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your hinge repair and RAM upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.